Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video we are going to see anchor tag in HTML. So if you haven't subscribed to the channel, please subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon. Anchor tag, it's an hyperlink which is used to redirect one web page to another web page. And the most important attribute of anchor tag is href tag. In href tag we will put another page name or a link where we want to redirect our page. For example, if you are at abc.html and you want to redirect your page to xyz.html or any xyz website, so what will you do? You will simply use an anchor tag, and in href you will define that xyz.html or http xyz.com. So through this it will create an hyperlink, which by clicking on that hyperlink you can redirect from one web page to another web page. Anchor tag has so many attributes like download, href lang, media, ping, reference policy, rel, target, type. So we will understand the anchor tag with the help of one example, and let's get started with an example. So suppose I have typed HTML basic code in this learning tag. In the title we are typing learning tags, and in body we have written an anchor tag. In href we have typed https google.com redirect to Google. So this is our basic tag, href tag, where we are redirecting to Google. Now I will save my code and I will open abc.html, and here we have found redirect to Google. So in this, when you get a link in a blue color, that means that the link is not visited yet, and if the link color change to purple, then you have already visited that link. So when I click on redirect to Google, the page will be redirected to google.com, in which anchor tag will help you to redirect from one web page to another web page or another website. So if we click back to that page, now you can see the color changes to purple. So now the blue color shows the unvisited link, while purple color shows the visited link. If you want to redirect the link to the next tab, then we can type over here target equals to blank, which will help you to open a new tab, and the web page will be open in another tab. So when I click on redirect to Google, it will open another tab. The target will help you to open the page or website into another tab. Now we will see some functioning. I type style equals to text decoration none. Then you can see the underline under the redirect to Google will be disappeared. So when I save it, I will refresh the page, and you can see the underline over Google, redirect to Google is removed. So text decoration none will help you to remove the underline. And when we type the another like color equals to black and font size equals to 50 pixel, then you can see the difference. So when I refresh, you can see that is the color changed to black, and it is an hyperlink, and the size of redirect to Google is increased. When I click, it will be redirect to google.com. So this is the basic structure of anchor tag. You can use this in your website, you can use it in your page. So this is about anchor tag. If you haven't liked this video, please like this video, comment your thoughts, what you think about this video. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, please subscribe to the channel, and please share this video with the friends who want to learn HTML and HTML tag. In coming videos I will going to explain such tags of HTML. So we'll see you in next video.